Hello, in this video we will go over how to create a single group in a course site. To begin, scroll down and on the course menu under Users and Groups, choose Groups. Place your mouse arrow over the Create button and under the Single Group heading you can create a manual Enroll group where you choose who goes into what group. First, give your group a name. You'll see an option to make your group visible to students, yes or no. The Groups tool allows you to create a space within your course site where students in a group can work with each other, communicate, and post files. If you choose No here, it turns off this space. That doesn't mean you can't use the Groups tool to make a group assignment elsewhere in the course, but it does prevent them from having that central space. So for the most part, folks will leave that on yes. Under tool availability, most folks will not use blogs, journals, academic materials, content market tools, or wikis. These tools are better used outside of the Groups tool. However, there are some tools here that are useful. Discussion board allows you to give them a private space where, as a group, they can have discussions, and you can even make multiple discussion boards within this private group space so they can have separate discussions. You can also enable the email tool so that they can easily contact one another via email. File Exchange provides them with a space in your course site to upload files for other people in the group to see. Tasks allows them to create a task list where they can assign certain things to certain people in their group. Blackboard Collaborate Ultra provides them with a space in your site where they can meet with their group members live online using their webcams and microphones. If you scroll down a bit more, you'll see a button to add users. When you click Add Users, your course roster will be brought up and you can check off whoever you'd like to have in the group. Once you've checked them off, click Submit, and then click Submit again to save your new group. If you'd like to edit the group, you can just click the down arrow next to the group and go to Edit Group. If you click on the name of the group, you'll be brought inside of that private group space I mentioned earlier, where you can go to the group discussion board to create discussion prompts for them, send them emails, or access their Collaborate live meeting spaces. Once they're in a group that's visible to them, students will see a special space just below the bottom of your course menu where they can access their group. Or in a content area, you can come to the Tools option and choose Groups, and then choose Link to a Group or Group Set, and then link to that specific group and click Next. This allows you to add a link, sort of like an assignment, to the group space in your site somewhere. So here I could add some directions. So now I've given this group link a name and some directions as to what students should do here, and when I click Submit, it adds the link to the page. It's a good thing to add a Groups tool link like this, either to one of your weekly areas or some separate group work content area space, so that you can provide additional directions for your students as to what they should do in the group.